Now, we're going to take up one more problem on projections of lamina, the problem number 102. The problem reads as an equilateral triangular lamina of 25 mm sides lies on one of its sides on HP. The lamina makes 45 degrees with HP and one of its medians is inclined at 40 degrees to VP. Draw its projections. So to do that, so we go for this final solution. So to this, I need to draw by using AutoCAD software. So to do that, first we'll go to the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. The command is limits. So here specify lower right corner 0, 0, upper right corner is 297, 210. Then say zoom all. Then go to line, select some arbitrary point and say at the rate 297 less than 0, at the rate 210 less than 90, at the rate 297 less than 180 and say close. Then go to zoom extent, zoom 0.6x. Now we need to create the layers. To create the layers, go to layer command LA and press enter key. By default, you are going to have layer 0. You just click on layer, new layer, type layer by name XY and click on new, type the layer by name front view and click on new, type the layer by name top view, click on new, type the layer by name locus. Then layer 0 will contain projector lines. All the projector lines will be of 0.05. Therefore, layer 0 should be 0.0. Layer XY will be having 0.13 and the front view should have the layer by name 0.5. Okay. And the top view should also have the line weight as 0.5. And then the locus line will be 0.05. Okay. Then go to continuous locus line type. Go to load, click on D dash dot and say OK. Then click on dash dot and say OK. Now we got the locus line. The top view will going to have magenta color and the front view will going to have the blue color. So this is how we will be assigning the layer, line type and color and the line weight for the individual layers. Once you do that, now we go for to write the drawing. So we are going to consider this. So here we say a polygon command, select the number of take 3 because triangle, take the edge option, you take some point and drag it, take this distance as 25. So once you go to give 25, then go to move, select this and move it here. Then go to line, select some arbitrary point and offset. Then go to zoom window. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between this line and this line between these two. Now we'll go for layer. So the layer should be the top view. So you just click over this and then you just click on this, go to layer. So you just click on this, go to layer, you make it as top view. So once you do that, the layer weight display. So here this should be layer front view. So this is how you will be able to create the initial position. So once you do that, then we will go for the second position. So copy this first position here and then rotate by an angle of 45 degree in the clockwise direction. So obviously it will be negative. So to do that, so copy, select this object, select this and keep it here. Then go to rotate, select this in line and then go to end point. Rotate, select object, select this base point, end point of this. So it is resting on edge. So since it is resting on edge, so end of this, so you are going to give minus 45 degrees. Then go to line, take end point of this and draw a vertical line. And then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two. So once you do that, then go to line, take end point of this and draw a vertical line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and this as the object to trim. Now we need to draw the top view. Then go to line, then go to intersection point of this and take int of this and take intersection point of this. Then go to break this line, first point, take int of this and say @ and then you select this and then select this, go to layer, make that layer as top view. Now we are going to break this here. Go to break, select this first point, take int of this and draw this. Now we have line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, and similarly on this side also. Now we need to take the beta inclination. So to find the beta inclination, now we need to set the dimensioning variable DDIM. So you just go to modify, go to primary unit, set it as second decimal point. So go to text, take the text height as 3, align with the dimension line above, and offset from the dimension line as 3. Then symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3, and then lines, say offset from the origin as 3. Then go to OK, say close. Now we need to go for dimension, take intersection point of this and draw intersection point of this. So this will give you 21.65. Then go to intersection point of this and then intersection point of this. Once you do that, you're going to get it as 15.31 and 21.66. So 21.65. So this one 21.6506. Then here this is 15.309. So it will be 15.31. So once you do that, now we need to go for the last draw a line at inclined angle of 40 degrees. So then just go to line, take nearest point on this. So go to line, take nearest point on this. Say @100 less than minus 40 degrees. So to do that, so @100 less than. So here line @100. So go to line, take nearest point and say @100 less than minus 40 degrees. Then go to 40 degrees. Then go to circle, take nearest point on this and take the radius as 21.65. So once you do that, then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, and you just break this till here, and you break this till here, and go to erase this, and then go to trim this line till here. Now we need to so here this radius is 21.65. Okay. So now similarly go to circle, take center of this and take the radius as 15.3. So then go to break, select this circle here and broken it similarly on this side. Then go to erase, then go to erase this also, which is not required. Then go to copy 15.31. So here this radius is 15.3. Okay. Now we need to go for copying this. Then go to erase this, and then go to copy. Select this entire drawing, then go to intersection point of this and take center of this line. Then go to zoom window, then go to rotate this here. Enter base point. I will take int of this and then reference, specify the new reference angle as 0 and specify the new angle as intersection point of this. So this is how we will be able to find the beta inclination. So once you do that, then go to break this line till here. Then so you have this. So then you move it approximately nearer. Once you do that, Then you just go to this point and then go to layer, make that layer as locus, and this dimension we're going to get it as 5. So once you do that, so for this you need to have the front. So draw a line int of this, and then from here you draw perpendicular to this line. So we have the apex point. Then go to line, take int of this and take perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then you take intersection point of this on the same line, and also intersection point on this on the same line. Then go to break this first point, take int of this and say @ Then go to break first point, take int of this and say @ Now we have the layer xy. So you just go to layer, change it to xy. Then go to break this line till here. Then you just click on this and click on this. Go to layer, make that layer as front view layer. So here this line is xy, and similarly this line is also xy. Now we have the DDIM. Then go to modify. So here primary units up to 0 degree you take and say OK and say close. Now we go for dimensioning and take intersection of this and take int of this. So once you do that, so you have ortho on. Now you're going to get it as 25. Then go to angular, select between this line and this line. So here you take 45. Then again go to angular, go to angular, select between this line and this line. So we're going to get it as 65 degrees. So take text, we don't give the value and say enter. So you're going to get it as this. Then go to M text. So here, first we'll go for D text. So you mark this point as 3, type as X, you type it as VP, you type it as HP. Then you mark this point as Y. Then here you mark this as A, B, C, and M in bracket. So M. So once you do that, so you just go to D text. So here you just take A dash and you take B dash, then C dash in bracket, and also M dash is also invisible. So once you do that, then go to move. So you're already switch off the ortho mode. So take VP and HP, and here it is A, here it is B, here it is C, and here it is M. So similarly, you take A dash, you take B dash, you take C dash, and here we're going to take M dash. Now we need to change the layers of this. So go to front view. So similarly, you just click on HP, ABC, M. Then go to layer, make that layer as top. So now we need to copy to the second position. So here you just copy A dash here, then B dash here, then C dash in bracket, and here M dash. So to do that, you just copy A, and that A will come here. You take B, and that point will come here. So you are rotating clockwise, so obviously this point will be here. And go to M, select this, and you select this. Then go to C and click on this, and you click on this. Now we need to write the text. So go to D text. So here you mark this as A dash, you mark this as B dash, and you mark this as C dash. Then go to move, select A dash and move it here, and B dash, select it here, and then C dash. So here you have dim TED, So you just take down inside, then go to M text. So here you type formatting, go to symbol and click on beta inclinations. Type B and enter. So then we need to have angular dimension dim angular between this line. So dim. So here angular, select between this line and this line. So you will going to get it as 40 degrees. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing. So here you just come down to this, select these three, and you change that to layer front view. So once you do that, then go to dim TED. So text edit dimension, you edit this and bring it near. So this is how you will be able to solve this problem by using AutoCAD software. And the one what we have here and the one what you got here, both are one and the same, and hence your problem is right. So we're going to thank you.